Hello friends, this is the shawl version of Star Hearts and Pineapples crochet pattern. So chain 6 to begin the row. Then 2 triple crochet between the first and second double crochet post. Chain 1, then triple crochet chain 1 on next triple crochet 4 times. Mark this first triple crochet as the beginning of the repeating stitches. Then triple crochet on the last triple crochet of the fan. Then chain 2, 3 double crochet, on the next shell, chain 3, 3 double crochet on the same space of the shell, shell is made, then chain 2, and mark this chain 2 as the ending of the repeating stitches. Then we will repeat from the fan, the triple crochet of the fan up to the chain 2 after the shell. After the last fan, then chain 2 and 3 triple crochet between the last double crochet post. End of row 7. So turn